Hey everyone, welcome back to Omni Equal, your go-to place for tips on health, nutrition, and wellness. Today, we're going to talk about 10 simple baths that can significantly boost your overall wellness. So let's dive right in. The first bath is the Epsom salt bath. Epsom salt is rich in magnesium, which helps to relax muscles and reduce stress. To prepare this bath, simply add 2 cups of Epsom salt to a warm bath and soak for about 20 minutes. You'll feel the tension melt away. The second bath is the essential oil bath. Essential oils like lavender, chamomile, and eucalyptus have various health benefits, including relaxation and improved mood. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil to a warm bath and soak for 20 minutes. This bath will leave you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Alright, bath number 3 is the oatmeal bath. Oatmeal is amazing for calming down angry skin. If your skin is itchy, this bath can really help. So how do you make it? Easy. Take 1 cup of oatmeal, make sure it's ground up really fine, like powder. Add it to a warm bath, not too hot. Then just relax and soak for about 20 minutes. When you get out, your skin will feel super soft and healthy. Okay, so next up is bath number 4, the baking soda bath. Baking soda is awesome. It helps clean your body from the inside out, and it's great for itchy or sore skin. So, what you're gonna do is, run a nice warm bath and pour in 1 cup of baking soda. Give it a swish, and then soak for about 20 minutes. You'll come out feeling fresh and clean, like brand new. Alright, let's chat about bath number 5, the apple cider vinegar bath. Apple cider vinegar is amazing for your skin. It helps keep your skin healthy, and can even help if your skin is irritated or itchy. So, how do you do it? Easy peasy. Just pour 1 cup of apple cider vinegar into a warm bath. Mix it around a bit, and then hop in and relax for about 20 minutes. When you get out, you'll feel super refreshed, and your skin will thank you. Okay, let's talk about our 6th bath idea, the herbal bath. If you love nature and plants, this one's for you. Herbs like chamomile, rosemary, and mint are really good for you. They can help you relax and even help your blood flow better. Making this bath is super easy. Just take some fresh or dried herbs and put them in your warm bath. Let them sit in the water for a bit, like when you make herbal tea. Then, hop in and relax for about 20 minutes. The nice smell and the good stuff in the herbs will make you feel amazing and fresh. Try out this herbal bath. Your body and mind will thank you. Alright everyone, let's talk about bath idea number 7, the milk and honey bath. This one's super fancy and great if you want soft skin. Milk has lots of good stuff like vitamins and proteins, and honey helps your skin hold on to water. So how do you make this bath? Easy peasy. Just pour 1 cup of milk and a few big spoonfuls of honey into your warm bath. Give it a little swirl to mix the honey in. Then just relax in this creamy bath for about 20 minutes. While you're chilling, you'll feel your skin getting super soft and smooth. It's a great way to treat yourself after a busy day. Give the milk and honey bath a try, your skin will love you for it. The 8th bath we're talking about is a green tea bath. Green tea has things called antioxidants that are really good for you. They can help clean your skin and make it super healthy. To make this bath, you just need some hot water and a few green tea bags. Let the tea seep into the water for a bit, then take a nice long soak for about 20 minutes. You'll come out feeling fresh and awesome. Green tea baths are the best for those days when you just need a little boost. Those antioxidants I mentioned? They're like superheroes for your skin, fighting bad stuff and keeping it looking great. So next time you're feeling tired or worn out, why not try a green tea bath? Your skin will love you for it. Alright, bath number 9 is all about sea salt. Sea salt is amazing for cleaning your skin and getting rid of any bad stuff. To make this bath, just pour 1 cup of sea salt into your warm bath and relax in it for about 20 minutes. You'll feel so much better, like brand new. Sea salt has special things called minerals that are super good for your skin, like magnesium, calcium, and potassium. These minerals help your skin stay nice and smooth and not get all swollen. Taking a sea salt bath can also help if your muscles are sore or if you want to sleep better. So if you had a long day and need to chill out, a sea salt bath might be exactly what you need. Give it a shot and see how awesome this natural remedy is. Alright, bath number 10, the ginger bath. Ginger is really great. It helps your blood move better and can help if your muscles are sore. Making this bath is super easy. Just take some fresh ginger, cut it into a few slices, and put it in your warm bath. Soak for about 20 minutes. While you're chilling, you'll start to feel nice and warm and kinda tingly. The good stuff in ginger wakes up your body, so you'll feel more energetic and fresh. This bath is perfect for those days when you're feeling a bit slow or achy. So next time you're not feeling your best, give a ginger bath a try. And there you have it, 10 simple baths to boost your overall wellness. Give them a try, and let us know how they work for you in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more wellness tips. And if interested, check out my recommended products below. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay healthy, stay vibrant, stay omni-equal.